Diesel 8 Garage. We coming at you with another video, man. Today we about to try to discover what's going on with the dually. I gotta tow my brother's car. Really don't want to use the van, even though I can. I don't want to keep on abusing Roadrunner, but let me get us up under here. See if I can get a visual on what we got. The starter been acting funny, so I'm about to pull that starter down and see how much shimming needs to actually be done, because might not need shimming, it might need shimming, but we're about to try to discover it. I'm looking on the ground, looking at some stuff I might be able to use. I think what I'm gonna try to do is use washers for actual shims. See if we can get it to hook up that way. But let me set y'all up real quick. All right, there. And then bada bing, bada boom. See if we can get this pulled down. My phone battery is about to die, so I'm gonna have to go in the house and give it a charge. Kind of got a head start on it, but I know this flywheel. I know it's a little chewed up. That I do know. But my issue that I think I'm having, I might just need to shim. Do a little shimming. And then hopefully I can get this dust coming from in between here. Especially with this exhaust bit right there. This looks like it's going to be tricky. Definitely look like it's going to get a little tricky. I see a wet spot up under here, so it looked like oil. I'm hoping oil's coming down from the top or something somewhere, because I might have to either replace oil pan gasket or something else. I really don't know, but this is why it's important. It's important to have goggles, because when you got a rust bucket, something is susceptible to fall. I have to say, it's just leaking from around the my oil pan. And then looking at this flywheel, it don't look too bad. I mean, the teeth, they chewed up, but that ain't too bad. I'm trying to get this tight so the hoodie will stop coming down. Okay. So, I don't think I'm going to finesse this out of here. I don't think that's... I might. So looking at, I mean, it's a couple of them chewed off, but now let me see if I could find the, it's supposed to be a little hole at the bottom of the starter where I could push, try to make this thing engage. So all starters aren't like that. I'm guessing. Let me turn my light on and I'm guessing more like that. So I do think it's too close. I think the teeth are too close. Let me get a smaller see. Alright, so I definitely think I need to come down, so I'm going to loosen it up, put a washer. I'm gonna loosen it up and put a washer in between the where the block and stuff go. Washer on both sides and see if that bring it down just enough, because I see it's right there. I might be able to cheat and do this. I might be able to find some washers on the ground. I seen one. And I'm not gonna get lucky enough to see another washer. No, let me just go get some washers. Get two little washers, put them between there, try to start it, and if it does, I think we're going to, that's what we're going to use on our trip to go get bro's car. But I got to get my junk up and move it around first. All right, so let's see. Got some washers. Look around the same thickness. And I want to say that's a 916. Double over here, get a ratchet extension and a 916. Let's see. We are back. Got two washers. That's a 14 shit thing. See how this go. See if I can get it to just come down low enough to where I can pull it back and slide the it's gonna be one of them instances I need to I'm glad I did look at this, because my actual bolts are staggered, I guess you'd call them. They're not the ones that straight across from each other. I gotta get my electric ratchet again, man. This is the old prehistoric way of doing stuff like this. Everything consists of power tools now. Okay, what are we saying? Phone? Battery is dying, so we here up to speed this process up and see if we can get us a test start off. Come on. Okay, let me get one. See if I could get a washer up open there. Oh, all right. and put this one up through there and try to put a washer in the tip of this. See if this don't give me a better play out. Oh, all right. Went smoother than expected. Try to take it up evenly and get this done quick, cause I don't think battery life is gonna be working with me. If this ouch, something else went in my eye again. This doesn't work. Immediately hop in the van. Try to get over there to the bro. We'll go ahead and put the dust cover back up on there. Hanging and sagging the flywheel and extra stuff. Come on. Go back how you came off. No, you can't screw in what you can't see, so try to get in position to make sure you can see. You see how smoother that went? I was able to see it. Oil. I had to replace my oil pan gasket too. I ain't mad at it, but definitely gonna have to replace it. It's too much. What I'm gonna do is leave the mic down here and I'm gonna fire in the hole. Fire up, bada bing, bada boom. If it don't, oh well. Y'all hear what's going on firsthand. Hop in the van and keep it moving. I think I got the key on me though. Probably the last thing I could do before my battery tap out. But here goes nothing. We put the mic down here.